Hey guys, my name is Tami. Welcome back to my dance tutorial, and today we will be learning Swiss Lee Saltambir dance challenge. Yeah! First move is Saltambir, boy. You have your hand like this, and you're going to bring it around like you're wiping that area. You're not going to bring it all the way around there, no guys, but just like the cheek, like the right cheek, you're going to act like you're wiping the right cheek. Wipe the cheek. Wipe the cheek. You see? Bring it around like you wipe the cheek. Not between, but the cheek. You're going to do that 8 times, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You notice when you're wiping, you're bringing the hip forward. See? Forward, back. Forward, back. I guess stir the pot, stir the soap, at least. Aye! So once you go forward, you go up a little bit. When you're going back, you drop it. So up, drop. That's how you get the Saltambir, what? Yeah, that is how you get it, alright? Step 2. Say you have a kerchief in your hand or something. Now we have carnival. This is it. This is it. This is it, right there. So wavy. You point left. Wavy, right, wavy, left. Good? Alright, so from the top. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next move, wavy, left, wavy, right, wavy, left again. Good? Perfect. You're going to do We No Trust Man. If you notice, it's like I said, no, done with it, what? It's that no. So, as you can see, that hand movement is just X. This is it. And then you just put your hand lower in front of you and just X. Alright? So, once you say, we no trust man, that is it. Let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wavy left, wavy right, wavy left, and we no trust man. Good? Alright, let me run that one more time for you with like the acapella. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Saltambir, what? Saltambir, what? We not just man. Yeah! So once we do that, we do it again. Saltambir, what? Saltambir, oi. We not just man. Now the next part of the dance, like we reach at the middle part. We get your new dance. Yeah, that part we reach now. So for that part, you're going to angle your body. Angle. You stand facing forward and then you twist your body just like this. Twist your body to the side. Okay? Now for your hands, right? It's going to be open, close, but the close is going to be an X. Open, close, open, close. 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close, open, close. That is the hand motion I want to see. So now we're going to bring this, turn to the side, as I'm going to say, I angle myself, angle me, and then you're going to crunch down just a little bit. So you get that effect. Crunch down just a little bit, alright? Almost like you have a box. You know, you're not really stand here when you're about to crunch down like this. Yeah. After that, you kind of lean over. Just a little bit. Not too much. We're not lean over, so we're not broke no back. You know, we're not doing no bend no. Hello, calm on yourself. Want to know, do what me I do. See we are? Then the open, close. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close, open, close. That is it. So you see when you catch it, open first, then close. Open, close. You see the look right, the part right there, so? They look at hip, they look at body. We're gonna go wiggle. Woogie. Yeah. We're gonna go wiggle like. wiggle, left, right, that is it. So you don't really look too stiff, you understand? This cannot do this and this now move. So you see whenever so, wiggle, 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 yeah. It look like we are coordinating now, it look like we are dance. You understand? So 2 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, we get your new dance. Yeah! And remember, so when you do that, your head can like rock with your waist, rock with your hand, so we don't look too stiff. Okay? Then we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this move, once you don't know about drift, are the same thing. Your hand coming like you broke. See there? Angle me right there so. You just hook up your right hand so. Just hook it up. Yeah, just hook it up. Normal hook up, nothing too fancy. Hook it up. So once you hook it up like this, it's giving like a snake. Alright, once you hook it up like that, then you're gonna walk 2 times. But you're not do like no big step, you know, like obvious. You're just like doing a little shuffle. Walk 2, 3, 4. Okay? Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot first. Walk. Right foot match up with your left. 2. Left foot again. Walk. Right foot match up with your left. 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close, open, close. And while you're walking across, we need to have a little bounce with it like this. Up, down, up, down. See there? Up, down, up, down. See there? Open, close, open, close. Yeah? Open, close, open, close. Yeah? Yeah. Angle that. Now for the icing on the cake, to make it look like a real dancer, we have to incorporate the shoulder. Yeah, man, the shoulder we have to rock. See it there? Up, down, this is all you know do. Right shoulder up, left shoulder down, left shoulder up, right shoulder down. So once you now walk, open, close, it's like a whole heap of things you don't have to do one time, you know, guys. But me just want to break it down step by step, so it will go flow naturally. Once you know do it, it will go flow naturally. So nobody say, Lord God, me I do this with my foot and my shoulder move. Why my shoulder move? Because it's supposed to move, alright? It's supposed to move. Make nobody turn in a dancer. Yeah, man. You make sure they look at hip. The hip. Make sure no grease up with the double D. See there? Open, close, open, close. That is it. That is it. I know that. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have point. We have point. We have point. We not trust man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open, close, open, close. Hey, angle. Hey, what happened to that? This now. We catch a new dance. The beer and salt. Beer and salt. Once you say beer, you can't miss this. So beer, drink. Beer and salt. You don't know salt there? You remember this? You look at salt like, oh, yeah, that is it. Oh, that is it. You know when I put salt on egg? Yeah, man, we now go salt the egg. Look, see there? See, that is it. I know that. So, we catch a new dance. Beer and salt. Make sure the bounce, you still have, like when you walk on spot, this. Yeah, beer and salt. That is it. We catch a new dance. Beer and salt. Yeah! We don't have that? Alright, from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. We don't talk. One more time. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. Point. Cynthia now. Open, close, open. We get your new dance. Beer and salt. One more time. open, close, open, close. Walk, 2, 3, beer and salt. Beer and salt. Yeah, man, I honor that, man. After that, now, see, party where I kill everybody. I know. First step for that part, you go jump. Me no want nobody to jump like them I do. No long jump. Hello, jump normal. Jump. Once you jump as you land, shake your legs. Shake your legs. Remember I said the nerves bad enough. I know about this from the last dance. You need look at orange and you need look at vitamin C. So as you jump, shake. Mix up. Yeah. But when I shake my man, you can't just do this so normal, you know, you have to jump. Make your hand then like a grown little bit. So your hands, bring them around in a circular motion like this. Around, see there, we dive in. Dive in. Ooh, see there? That is it. So you jump. Mix up. So it's jump, shake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Now if some people want to be extra, they can be like, mix up, you know, like jump higher. Now remember guys, do this at your own risk. I am not responsible for any broken bones, any damages, any slip, trip or fall. Okay? Yes, I just want to put that out there. Next part now. You're gonna stand up for the part, yeah? From people with shit too. The part there, that's how we there. So you're gonna stand, foot close. Just act like a footballer right in front of you. And you just ease up your right foot just so. See there? Ease up your right foot. See there? Up, down, that's it. And just act like a footballer right in front of your right toe. A football, a Jamaica with a football, when I say soccer, football, you understand? Right in front of your right toe. And you see you go so, boom! That is it, like almost like a kick. And when I say the right in front of your right toe, because I don't want your foot to extend and go out here so. No, it's right there so you just go so, boom! That is it. You understand? Nobody slam down on the foot too hard, man. And that we don't know. Control on the weight. Control on the body. After that now, the legs, you're going to open the windows. You understand? You're going to spread. the legs then, just open, close. Open, close. Open, close. That is it. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Open, close. That is it. Too easy. So it's kick, open, close. Kick, open, close. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. We have point. We have point. We don't trust man. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. We have point. We not trust man. We catching you, open, close. 1, 2, 3. Beer and salt. Yeah. We catch it open, close. 1, 2, 3. Beer and salt. See where now? We don't mix up. Kick, open, close. You see how fast that do? Kick, open, close. So when you're not open on the legs or whatever, make sure you say on your hand, like, you see that effect? On your hand open too. Kick, open, close. Yeah man, I do that like After we do that now, we are going to do the bring it around for the shit top. Okay, so it's kick, open, close, and then your waist, you bring it around town. Bring it around. We don't know what episode that's going to, but anyway, that's why I need to watch it because the references, they will make sense. Okay, so kick, open, close, and then you bring it around halfway. You're not bring it all the way around because when you bring your waist around, your left hand, I go almost like you wipe the left cheek, shit up. shito. Yeah man, I eat that. We're gonna start from the jump. And then we're going like that. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Mix up, kick, open, close. People with shito. You see? That's why you don't bring the wine all the way around. Because once you bring it halfway, you have to angle it with the shito. With that part there. Ito. Yeah. From the top now. Because I dance that, that is it, That is it, Simple as that. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. Point. 2, 3. Then we not trust man. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We not see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Beer and salt. Yeah, we find a new dance. 1, 2, 3. Beer and salt. Yeah, beer and salt. Then we jump now. So we know. So kick, open, close, bring it round, crack. Run it one more time and then we leave it now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer, boy. Salt and beer, boy. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. We not drop. We find a new dance. Beer and salt. See that? We get a new dance. Beer and salt. Watch your idiot party now. Jump. So kick, open, close, bring it round. Eat up. That is it, guys. Salt and beer dance challenge tutorial. Another one down by Tami Winkle. Guys, I ordered that, guys. Angle that. Yeah, man, just go and practice. Remember, tag me. Make sure when you watch the tutorial, please like it. Alright? Please like the video. Come and notice the last one. To order make the video blow up and the likes is not matching with the views. The likes is not matching with the hello. No. Hello. Yeah, man, we have to do better, fix things. Guys, thank you so much for all of your love and support. I appreciate the comments and your feedbacks, guys. It is overwhelming. Thank you. Big up. Love, alone. Bye.